Hi friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and I am here to do my savings funds for this week. I don't even know what week it is. It's been so long since I've done one of these. I think next year I'm just going to start in January and just number them so that I have a better tracking system. But anyway, I got paid this week. Things have been really tight and I really haven't had anything to stuff for several weeks, but this week I have a teeny bit, and I do have some envelopes that need to be stuffed because I had to basically take everything from them to pay for a medical bill. So hopefully that isn't going to happen again before the end of the year, but it's been so tight. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and move on. Let me see. Let's count up what I have left over. I have already drawn out all of my money for my cash wallet, so that is all taken care of. This is what was left afterwards. So there's 20, 40, 65, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 88. There's 60, 70, yeah, 88. I do apologize if you can hear the wind today. It is very, very windy where I live at in Montana, and it just blows and blows and blows. So car insurance is getting a $20 bill. That is one of the envelopes I did not draw from, but this bill comes up every 6 months, so I try to make sure it gets stuffed as much as possible. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and 140 in here now. Okay, so moving on. Amazon Prime is getting some money. That is also getting $20. So there's a total of $20 in here. It is one that I did pull money from, and this is actually due in January, the first part of January. However, I got some good news, and I'll share it in a upcoming video that will thankfully be covered. Not the way I want it to be, but it'll still be covered. But I'll share what's going on there in the next video, probably. Either the next video or the video after that. So we are also going to do Audible. That is a yearly thing that I pay, and we took out $22 when I had to pay that medical. So we're actually going to put 28, which will put back the 22, and then add in the $6 that it would normally be getting. So 25, 6, 7, 28. I know I didn't do that with just the straight across Amazon Prime, but again, got something else coming up for that. That is it for this binder, and the rest of it will be going into car maintenance. I do have to get an oil change, and this is not enough to cover it, but it's a start. So 25, 20, I wish those are 20s. It's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 in car maintenance. So anyway, that is all that I was able to stuff this time. And I know it wasn't much, but hopefully it's a start to getting some of my envelopes built back up. Hopefully the new year brings about a lot of changes and my side hustle will maybe increase a little bit. I am hoping. If it doesn't, it's still a little nice extra that I can put in. If you are not aware of what my side hustle is, I do have a Poshmark store that I do sell items out of. My store is called RW Designs, which is along the same lines of my Etsy store. The name of that is Rusty Windmill Designs. but I don't have much in there, and I haven't really sold much of anything. There's a few physical items and a couple of digital, but I'm actually thinking I might just not worry about those, just because Etsy has turned out to be a very expensive hobby and not anything that brings a profit in. So, however, Poshmark does, and I actually find it easier to do Poshmark than Etsy when listing stuff. So it's a lot less headache, a lot less stress, not nearly as frustrating as trying to load things on Etsy. So I might expand things out, but I don't know. I'll let you know if I do. But currently that side hustle money that is coming in is only from Poshmark. And that's it. I probably should have explained that in the side hustle video I did in my last video, but I forgot. Anyway, thanks for being here with me. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.